Hi guys, Tony Hayes here, and I've got a really special system for you to see today. And this system has been responsible for getting loads of page one rankings in the most unusual way, because what we actually do here with the RankAttack SEO system is we get rankings for web pages, for like landing pages, blog posts, sales pages, etc., by using video views on youtube.com. okay, so the youtube.com video views are ranking web pages on WordPress, and that is done in a very specific way. But here's what's really special about this offer today. I'm going to give you the 2.0 version of the RankAttack SEO system. This is stuff that has not been taught before. This is stuff that nobody else is teaching. And this is stuff that's 10 times more powerful than the original RankAttack SEO system, which was very powerful. And I'll go through it and explain to you what the difference between the original version of RankAttack SEO is compared to what we are going to be teaching in this particular course. Now, I'm going to combine this with lifetime access to VidAttack Alpha LITE, which is the video view tool. Okay, so you don't have to pay monthly for that. You can get all of this at a very good one-time price, a low one-time price. It's very affordable for what you're getting here. This is a real powerful system. So anyway, when you come in the sales page, I will keep this video here because it's actually a good explainer video of what we were doing with the 1.0 system. And this video I'm recording now, I will put in here. Now you will have seen these screenshots here on the Lead Blaster sales page, because the Chrome store ranks for keywords really easily. But what we did was we kick-started the campaign with the VidAttack Alpha software. Okay, I only did 37 views. That's all I needed to do for the Chrome store, because it goes and ranks stuff itself. But I learned a lot from that particular campaign and another couple of campaigns that I've run since then as well, to understand some new things that we can really take on board, so that we can go so much further than what we did with the old RankAttack SEO system. And by combining the training with lifetime access to the VidAttack Alpha LITE software, so you can run unlimited campaigns for unlimited keywords, then you have something very powerful in your hands at a really affordable price. Okay, so if you go to some of those other services and softwares, some of them are charging like $97 a month, and they're overcomplicating things a lot of the time, because they probably haven't used this in the ways that we use it, so that we know the nuances of the actual strategies and the ranking factors in combination of what's actually happening here, so that we can take advantage of that. Okay, so this one-time offer is something really special. Now, I just showed you this sort of YouTube SEO one. Here's what it looks like in real time. This is the real campaign here, and just 37 views. But I've been doing this again and again. I've actually lost count. I actually stopped saving them up now, because we've done so many of them. This system just keeps working like gangbusters every single time. And you can see this one here, local directory plugins and all that kind of stuff. That was done a few months ago. That was done in 2019, actually, November 2019. And this one, I got page one rankings for all of these. Now the thing is with this, we were starting to use some other search engines at that time, and this particular installation of this particular software did have an extra couple of licenses. We had the extension pack, etc. in here, and that's not what I'm offering today. So what I've done is I've brought this down to the video viewer, and you can see that we've got the video views here, which will do the CTR clicks. You can do unlimited campaigns. It will do the video viewing in combination with the training, which is all I do anyway, guys. I just do exactly what I'm selling here. Okay, and that's going to help you to get into page one. And once you get into page one, you start getting real traffic. Then if your content is good and you've got positive user behavior signals, then you're going to be able to get rankings for more keywords as well. Okay, I will cover all that kind of stuff, all the nuances, in a live webinar. So here's what you're going to get initially. Okay, you're going to get the VidAttack Alpha LITE software. It's lifetime. You got it for life. Okay, for one-time price, in combination with this training. Now the training is going into some stuff in a lot of detail. This is what we were doing in the original training. Okay, and it was basically how we can rank the web pages with the video views. So what's new? I'm going to teach you how you can optimize your YouTube video titles so that we can get multiple keyword rankings even if we're not putting those exact keywords into the search and click campaign with VidAttack Alpha. Okay, it used to be that's the only way we could get rankings. I figured out a way that we can bypass that, but it's very, very, very specific, the way that we use it. Okay, I'm going to introduce you to what I call the two-step shuffle. This is really, really simple system where we get real user IP signals, real users IP signals, and that's going to force Google to rank you for even more keywords. Okay, this is really, really powerful stuff. To force Google to rank you for even more keywords, this is really powerful, and I've seen this in action, and it just blows my mind every time I look at it. We'll teach you as well extra interactivity signals that we can use so that we can boost the rankings. So if you want to get things like comments and you want to get likes, etc., there's some things that we can do to make that happen. It's pretty easy. Okay, and natural comments, etc., as well we can get at the same time. Also, get value from your proxies by creating a small group where we can exchange the campaign export files. So I can say to you, do 50 views for me, and you can do, and I can do 50 views for you, kind of thing. So we'll have something like that either on Skype or Facebook, probably on Facebook, I think, because it's just easier to keep track of. And that way you can actually get more value from your proxies. Okay, as long as people are using squid proxies, this software works like gangbusters, and never had a problem with it for such a long time. It's been such a powerful tool to be able to use. Okay, and finally I'm going to teach what I call the three-step shuffle. So we had the two-step shuffle here, where I'm going to teach you how we can blast real user IPs and force Google to give us more keyword rankings. Okay, for keywords we haven't even targeted within the VidAttack Alpha campaigns. The three-step shuffle is what we use when we're going after more competitive keywords, and this is super, super powerful. And this is going to be taught in a live webinar, this section. Okay, all of this in a live webinar, and that will be on a replay. If we need a Q&A session after that, we will do the Q&A session. In fact, I think it's probably going to take about 2 hours, that session, that webinar session, but by the end of it you will have your mind blown. This is really, really powerful stuff, and really super simple as well. It's not hard to do, and nobody else is teaching this. I can guarantee you that nobody else is teaching this kind of stuff with the RankAttack SEO system. It's uniquely belongs to the VidAttack Alpha strategies, and nobody else is teaching anything close to it. Powerful stuff. So you can get it today, really low cost, only $97. Okay, only $97 if you want to get a 2-computer license. Lifetime, you can pay $127. 1 computer license is $97. Okay, that's the offer. So if you get any questions, you can send in a ticket to support@anthonyhayes.me. If you already are a customer of VidAttack Alpha, an existing customer for VidAttack Alpha, and you want to join the webinar, we will give you the link. I will send out a link to you, okay, so that you can join that webinar. But the real value is the combination of the training, and the training is not that much good unless you got VidAttack Alpha anyway, because the nuances are specific to this particular software, so that we can get the best out of it. Okay, thank you for watching.